Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover compensation for lost luggage with Delta Airlines step by step clearly. To begin your claim for lost luggage with Delta Airlines, gather all relevant documentation. This includes your boarding pass, baggage claim ticket, and any confirmation emails related to your travel. Next, visit the Delta Airlines website and navigate to the baggage section. Look for the option specifically for reporting lost luggage. Fill out the online form provided for lost baggage claims. Ensure you enter accurate details about your flight, such as your flight number and date of travel. Provide a description of the lost luggage, including size, color, and brand. After submitting the form, save a copy of the confirmation for your records. You will then need to contact Delta's customer service for additional assistance. Dial the Delta customer service number and explain your situation to a representative. Be prepared to provide your reference number and luggage details when prompted. The representative will inform you about the next steps in the recovery process. If your luggage is deemed officially lost, Delta will guide you on how to file a formal claim for compensation. Keep all receipts for any expenses incurred due to your lost luggage during this period. Once your claim is submitted, track its status through the Delta website or via customer service. Finally, be patient as the review process can take some time. Make sure to follow up regularly until you receive compensation for your lost luggage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.